Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Namecheap VPS for SSL renewal automation step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Namecheap account. Navigate to the VPS section of your dashboard. Select the VPS you want to configure for SSL renewal automation. Access the server using SSH. Use a terminal application to connect to your VPS. Enter your server's IP address followed by SSH, like this, SSH root at your _server _IP. Input your root password when prompted. Once logged in, update your system packages. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, install certbot if it's not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install certbot. To automate the renewal, we'll use a cron job. Open the crontab file by typing crontab e. Add a new line for the renewal task. For example, type 0*/12*** certbot renew quiet. This will run the renewal command every 12 hours. Save and exit the crontab editor. To verify that the cron job is working, check the logs. View the log file at /var/log/syslog. You can also test the renewal process manually. Run sudo certbot renew dry run. If successful, you're all set for automated SSL renewal. Remember to monitor your email for renewal notifications. This ensures you stay informed about any potential issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.